Creating stickers on WhatsApp is easy. You can do it directly within your iPhone. So here is how to do it. So let's get started. Firstly, open any conversation you want to send sticker to. Now all you have to do is get back to the Photos app on your mobile device. Then simply choose one photo you want to make a sticker of and send it to the WhatsApp. Now once you choose the photo, all you have to do is long press on this photo. Then you will get to see copy or add to sticker option available there. Then simply tap on the add to sticker. Now hence it is added to your sticker option. Now all you have to do is go back to the WhatsApp conversation section. Now once you're inside the WhatsApp conversation, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available there, or simply tap on the emoji icon in your keypad. Then from there swipe and you can see sticker you just created. Now simply tap on it and send it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.